We start with monthly charges. I want to give a quick update. And we have been looking to see the breakout of 1.3 and the price tag, we get this drop. Okay. Now, what's the next? Whether in the bigger picture, we can expect this one to price retest before we see the reversal. That means this one can turn to more complex correction or not. Okay. We are not looking for that option. And but we have to be aware of that. Okay, at this point we want to see whether we can get this move or not, because we have to see the breakout of 1.6. Okay, the reasons I mentioned the price retest this low in the bigger picture, because if this one turns to a more complex correction, that's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they should know how to look for trade, and if it doesn't move in their direction, how they should manage it. And even if we move to lower time frame weekly chart, I'm looking at this. Okay, can we consider this one following by this correction for the next drop? Can we expect the price retest this low at least? Okay, that's why if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they should be quite careful. At this point, I don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell based on higher time frame. Based on lower time frame, we can look for the short-term trade. And if we move to daily chart, similar explanation. Okay, for me, I'm not really interested to put this one relative to what we have here. That's why the possibility for the price to reverse from here is there. Okay, but again, similar to the other charts, when we look at this one, the way is reversing is very corrective. If we get the next drop following by divergence, we can look for the better trade setup. This is the best option we can look for, because at this point, for me, I'm not really interested to look for buy from here. That means if I want to look for buy, I have to see the breakout of this one, either at the top, following by correction before we take the trade, or the best if we get this one. This is the best option. Then for me, if I want to look for trade, I prefer to wait. That means at this point, I'm not really interested to look for the trade setup. I don't see any confirmation. We can look for buy or sell based on lower time frame, like 1 hour chart. As a short term, we can look for trade. Every time we see one move up, we take the trade. Then we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop. If yes, we keep. If not, then we take out the trade because we can look for the next drop. Okay. Then for me, I prefer to wait. I don't see any trade setup, but if we move to lower time frame, forward chart, nothing I mean, nothing to be interested for me. And maybe we can look for this one as a short-term trade. For me, I'm not really interested. Okay. And we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.